Guys, welcome back to my channel. So hold on, let me get my damn face spray. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be doing a get ready with me because I've been feeling like crap lately and I just want to do my makeup. It always makes me feel better when I do my makeup. Thumbs up if you agree. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be playing in my makeup today and I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm not really gonna like be doing a tutorial or anything. I'm just going to be playing on makeup. I only have about an hour or so left till I have to leave for work, so it's going to be a light, simple, everyday face. Not too much. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm just going to go in from there and I'm going to put my color corrector on. I don't think I'm going to do it. So today has been going, well, this week has been going so crazy. Yesterday I went and got my nails and my feet done. Shout out to the lady that does my nails with a nail shop because they did a pretty good job. But I dropped my phone in the pedicure water. Like, what the fuck? Luckily it's still working and I'm one of those many few people who don't have the iPhone X or XR or the shit that's waterproof. And luckily, oh, the back of my head's kind of cute. Wow, I would totally holler at the back of that. Okay, so this is new and I did want to try it out and I guess this will be like a review of it. I got the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Hustler Baby and Me Money, and it was one from her first launch and it was pretty popular and I've been wanting to do it ever since. I just never got a chance. So here is the packaging. Love it already. We know that. Kind of hard to open though. No lie, when you have acrylics on this shit, kind of. Okay, so yeah. I think today I'm going to try, I don't know, a little bit of both probably. Where's my brush at? I'm going to use my Morphe M501 brush. Spray that down with my Mario Badescu. And I think I'm gonna do the light one. I'm gonna try them both. Try this one on my cheeks. Dab a little bit of that. It's already super pigmented. A bit of the lighter one on my nose. Looks okay. It's pretty. Not as intense, but subtle. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just short on time, and I want to thank you guys for joining me with this get ready with me when I was just playing my makeup. And if you guys like these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and I will make sure to see you guys in my next one. Bye.